Hello, welcome back to another video, guys. In this video we're going to go through how we can change or remove this cluster on BMW F20 F30, basically 1, 2, 3 and 4 series. So we'll start off. There's only them 2 bolts, okay, and the tool set we need, I have a ratchet, and you need, what is the size? It's a 20, and that's what it is. That's what you need. And you get in there like that. Now, once the bolts are out, put your finger, if you have any nails and if you don't bite them, put your hand there, pull it forward, and it just slips out like that. To make things easy, open this up, pull it all the way out and down if you can, and then this will even work out better for you guys because it'll make things smoother. It's a bit hard, I'm using one hand, and it's only them 2 cables. Obviously they slot out by squeezing that, pull it out, and the same with this one, it's on the side, pull it out. It depends, some of you will just have this one and not that one. It depends what sort of performance settings you have here. You've got the LED display, so that's why that has 2.